Take a moment to check out the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, heated driver's seat, moonroof, power liftgate, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.